How's it? Welcome to Bez's Garage. In this episode we are going to completely strip down the Cub Cadet chassis right back to nothing. We're going to give it a water blast, make it look all clean, and then we can show what it looks like. So let's do that. You've seen how we pulled it all apart. So this is what we've ended up with, a complete cleaned chassis from the mower. Obviously the next part to do now is to work out what sort of ride height we want to get. Probably going to have to remove some pieces to fit the steering in the front. This bit here is probably going to have to go. So I'll probably drill some holes in the side. So I just drilled a couple of holes in the side here, and then enabled me to just pull the whole piece out. So it's a bonus piece we don't need. Now I'll be able to fit the front end in here, and we'll get the ride height sorted, drill some holes in the back and set up the rear axle, and then see how we go from there. The other thing I did was completely pull the bonnet apart. So here's the bonnet. Grill comes out nice and easy. Side panels came out nice and easy. Bracket and also the lenses for the lights. So that's really cool. What it means is that we'll be able to completely repaint that, adjust the height to where we want it, clean all this stuff up, make it look brand new, bolt it all back together again, and it'll have a really good look. So, yep, that's about it till next time. Bez's Garage.